So now I have everything that I need and everything that I want in my HTML file, and it's time to publish. You can move your mouse up to the Publish button, click, and you will see options. The option that you are going to select is Deploy as Web App. We are going to use a new project version. This is going to be first edition HTML. We are going to execute the app as click user accessing the app. We are going to allow anyone to access the app. And finally, once we've made these selections, we are going to deploy the app. Now, this URL is the URL of a live website that you have just created. If you highlight this URL, you can either press Command and C to copy or Control click to copy. Click OK and open a new tab. Paste the URL in, and now you can see everything that I put into the body element between the body tags of my HTML file showed up on my website. You can see the title of this site is My Personal Website, and you can see that what I did with the image element shows up as an image, a picture of a helpful HTML element breakdown. So now, if you want to make edits to your HTML file, you can go back to your copy of Meet Meme page to work on index.html. Anytime you make a change, you will need to save. So if I want to say the closing elements always have a slash and the opening tags do not, you will see a red asterisk or a red star next to index.html. This means that you need to save changes before you move on. So we will click the Save button. You can also File and Save. And if you want this change to be made available to every single person who visits the site, then you will need to publish again. Publish, deploy as web app, and create a new project version. In this version, we added a note about opening tags into the body element, and everything here stays the same, and we update. Now if you go back to my personal page and refresh, you can see that the text that I added is now a part of the public live website. A few final notes. 1. The head, title, and body tags always go inside of the HTML tags. Number 2. The title tags always go inside of the head tags. And number 3, just so you remember the opening and closing tags every time, always write the opening and closing tags together and then fill them with things. If you do these 3 things, then almost always you'll be able to structure an HTML file to design a functioning website.